How to fix WhatsApp business transfer error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find first you need to go to this one here, storage, and now click clean up and then clean some space here. You can just clean this one, junk files or cache, and then go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and here you will find WhatsApp business. Click on it and then click storage and click clear cache, and now go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here. Just click on it and click allow, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.